Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today I'm back with a haul video. So I have purchased a lot of cord sets from Amazon and Ajio and I wanted to share it with you guys. So if you guys are first time visiting my channel, then I am Vandita. I do all kind of lifestyle, shopping, fashion videos here. So if you guys are interested, then please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get started. So these days I'm in love with the cord sets. It's summer season and we are into comfortable clothing. So cord sets is my new love. I have purchased a lot of cord sets. So let me start showing you one by one. So the first cord set that I purchased is this beautiful brown color cord set. This is so pretty in color. I do not own any brown coffee color clothing and I wanted to get my hands on this. This is such a beautiful piece. It has this yellow button detailing going on and it is such a pretty one. It has this collar kind of a print. It gives this patani kind of a look and it has the short sleeves and it has this detailing going on here. And the beautiful thing about this is this embroidery at the bottom, and it has this beautiful embroidery going on at the bottom, and I love the finishing. I just love how it looks, and it has the cuts also on the side. It gives a very comfortable finish and it is of pure cotton. And the pant goes like this. It has this strip in the front and it has elastic at the back, and it has a pocket as well. I love the cord sets which have pockets, so it is a very functional pocket. So, and in the bottom it has this embroidery again. I love how this embroidery is and how the finishing is, and the length is comes to full length, and it is pure cotton, so it's perfect for the summers. I love how this cord set look on me. Styling this cord set gives a very chic look and I love how it looks on me. So if you want a very comfortable chic looking cord set, then you can definitely purchase this one. I love this. Next cord set that I purchased is this beautiful forest print cord set. I love the color of this cord set. It is a sea green kind of a color, and it has the 3/4 sleeves, and I love this lace finishing at the end of the sleeves. It gives a very premium look to it, and it is very comfortable. It is a cotton blend material and I love how comfortably it fits on me, and it gives a very nice fitting. And the pant goes like this. It has elastic both on front and back, and it has a pocket as well. It has a functional pocket, so I love it, and it comes to full length. And I love how this print is of this cord set. It's a very fresh summery print and I love it. If you are in love with a lot of forest prints and nature prints, then definitely go and purchase this cord set. I definitely love it and I was definitely influenced to buy this. So if you guys are looking for a very great cord set under 500 rupees, then definitely go for this cord set. It's a very comfortable and it looks great when you wear it. So this was my next purchase. Next cord set is one of my favorite, and that is this beautiful printed cord set. I love this combination of this blue and cream color. It looks great on me and I have worn it a lot. It is of pure cotton and it does not shrink as well. The material is soft cotton, and the sleeves is 3/4. It's a very comfortable fitting cord set. The material is so soothing that you love to wear it all day. So this is the top, and it has this pant. It has elastic on both the sides, back and front. It comes full length and it is very nice fitting cord set. So yeah, this was my next purchase, and if you're looking for a great material soft cotton cord set, definitely go for this. This was also under 500, 449 or 499 maybe, so it's definitely a steal. So definitely purchase this. The next cord set color is my favorite, and that is this black color cord set. It has this graphic prints going all over, and it is also of very great material. This material is same as the one I showed you earlier, and this has a 3/4 sleeves as well, and the length of this is of great. It comes up to thighs length. It has this cuts in the sides, so it gives a very comfortable fit. The pant is also having elastic on both the sides, back and front, and the length is of full length. I love this prints going on all over, and I love how it looks on me. So yeah, this I loved it as well. I love the color combination: white, teal green, and orange yellow. It's very colorful, so that is why I liked it. And this also looks great on me. So yeah, this was my next purchase. So these were all the cord sets that I purchased, which were very affordable and below 500 rupees. So if you are looking for a very affordable, best fitting cord sets, definitely go and purchase this cord sets. All the product links will be given in the description box. If you want to purchase it, click the link and purchase the products. So let me know in the comments how you felt about this video, and do let me know what all other videos you want to watch. I'll definitely start making it. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share the video among your friends, and please subscribe to the channel. Let's hit 500 soon, and I'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye.